What's up guys, here at KWI we know the struggle with trying to pick your TIG rig, what application to use it for, and what brand to go with. Now we aren't partial on any brand, we've tried them all, we've used them all, and there's a lot of different applications you can use them for. And that's why that we have the heavy hitter TIG rig here, the ProFax, and the Miller mini rig, because we want to give our students and you guys the best option for trying to figure out what you want to use on the job.
So if you're a welder and you have a favorite rig and you want us to try it out and review it, let us know. Or if you're a manufacturer and say, hey, my rig is the best on the market, then step up to the plate. Get in touch with us, either DM or contact us and let us know. We'll get your products in here. We'll put them in the hands of students who are really going to try them out, and we'll review your products and let the world know what we think of it. So whether it's a TIG rig, whether it's a stinger, a grinder, or whatever else you can think of that needs to be in your gear bucket, let us know what you want us to review and we'll help you out with that.
Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials, videos, and how-tos, and subscribe for more content from us. Catch you on the next one.